Welcome to AuditFi, your AI-powered smart contract sidekick. We are building a one-stop platform where you can build, test, and deploy with confidence and simplicity, all secured on the Say chain itself. AuditFi is currently live on both Say mainnet and testnet at the moment. So let's take a look at the problem we are trying to solve. Smart contract audit reports are usually very expensive, especially for new developers or early stage projects. That's where AuditFi steps in. We have fine-tuned our AI to generate instant audit reports for the smart contracts. Each of them include a summary of vulnerabilities, gaps, optimizations, and a rating system inspired by the Michelin star rating from 0 to 5 stars. All of this is completely well documented in our GitHub repository. Feel free to check that out. This is how our main page looks at the moment. Without wasting time, let's quickly connect our wallet. It could be any wallet which we want to choose. We connect our wallet successfully here. We can select the chain which we want to use the platform on. I'll choose Say mainnet for now. And we come to the audit section, which is our core feature. Let's quickly try this feature out and paste a really bad written smart contract, which I generated. And we'll click on analyze. It's like a really insecure contract. And let's check the rating it gets. As soon as the AI does its analysis, which is fine-tuned on the top reports, by the way, which are generated by the top audit firms, it has been trained to generate reports in that manner. We'll click on register audit, pay the gas fee for registering the audit on mainnet. And as you can see, we have secured a 0-star security secure rating as the vulnerabilities are critical in the smart contract. And feel free to read all of the stuff out. It should be helpful for you. Now, let's try pasting a really well-written smart contract and click on Analyze. It's done its analysis. Let's register this audit also on the mainnet. We'll pay the gas fee. Everything is being stored on the smart contract which we created. You can check all the interactions which are happening on the Say Stream Explorer. So this was a really well-written smart contract, and it managed to grab 4-star rating. And obviously didn't grab the 1 star because nothing is safe on the internet. Keeping that in mind, this was really well-written smart contract. There were some medium risks, some low risks, and the recommendations, the gas optimizations, etc., are all written here. Now, if you want to share these audit reports with your investors or etc., you just need to come on the report section, and as you can see, all the audit reports are stored here on which chain, on what date were they taken out, and by whom were they taken out. You could just come here and export the report and share it with your colleagues, or you could go to View on Explorer. We could check the latest transaction which happened with us. It was 2 minutes ago. And you could share this out like we interacted with the smart contract and register and audit. Very cool. This is our core feature where you give out ratings and etc. You could come to the profile section and showcase your auditing skills to other people. It's like creating a public profile where other auditors can review how many contracts you have audited, on which chains have you done it for. It's perfect for building credibility and landing freelance gigs. You can check your average rating. We have done total 5 audits, all of them available here. Very cool. Now, we have also added a powerful smart contract builder where you can choose from pre-built ERC20 templates, NFT templates, and you could generate contracts with these too. So if you are a new Web3 company or you are new into Web3 development, you won't know about how to create a token, how to create a smart contract. Don't worry, we have got you covered in A to Z everything on this platform. Just come up here and edit anything which you want. I'll just deploy this token as it is on the mainnet with a single click on this button. Let's wait for the transaction to go through. We successfully deployed it. You can check this out as it is a token. We can view its contract and the token also. Let's click on view token, give this page a refresh. So there were some issues with the other Explorer. So we are here on the Explorer. You can just copy this address as you can see, like we have a token registered with that address. And you can check the time. We registered this token like 3 minutes ago. Here it is in our Explorer as well. So there's something wrong with this Explorer that it shows the stuff very, very late. It's still not here. So we can check on this Explorer, like we minted this token to this address and the quantity was this. Let's try adding this token as we have minted it on the mainnet. Enter the token contract. Next, import. So we have our very own token deployed with the ease of a single click via our platform. You could deploy any other contracts as well. You could just ask what type of contract you want. It will generate it, then deploy it. We support NFTs as well. Very cool. So now imagine you are done creating a token but want to document your smart contract. So you could just come up here and enter your contract, click on generate documentation. Cool. So this feature comes in handy when you're working with a team who's not familiar with Web3. It generates all the events, all the variables, all the functions associated with the contract. So if you want to generate front end for your smart contract, which you created from a platform, just enter its code here, generate the documentation, copy this either as JSON or MD, and paste it in your any front end creator such as V0 or any other, and they will generate a really well written front end for it based on this. Plus, if you want to test your smart contract out thoroughly, you enter your smart contract here, and let's say you are not deploying your smart contract via platform and you're using hard hat. You could just click on generate hard hat tests. There you go. Our tests have been generated. Now you just need to create a new file in your local IDE and paste these tests and start with the instructions on how to test your smart contract. All the edge cases have been listed in this. You could even do one for remix manual tests. And that's your all-in-one platform for smart contract auditing, deploying, testing, and documenting on the Say chain. We support both testnet and mainnet. So if you don't have mainnet funds, feel free to test our features out on the testnet. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, and you could dive into our GitHub README for the documents and the screenshots of our journey. Thank you. Have a very good day and happy